All right, fifth grade, let's check your work. We have two different numbers that are represented in two different ways. We need to be able to compare the two numbers. The first thing I need to do is figure out, how do I write this number with standard form? So I'm going to begin right here. This number is represented using expanded form. I have 40 plus 3 plus 6/10 plus 7/100. So now I'm going to go back into my place value chart to help determine what is this number in standard form. Right here I have 40. I know that that represents 4/10, 3 ones. Oh, now I have a decimal. So I need to make sure that I have that decimal in there. This is 6/10, 7/100. So I know that the first value is equal to 43 and 67/100. So now I'm going to look at my next value. My next value is represented in word form. This says 215 and 4/10. Sometimes I like to read it twice so that I understand and I say it slowly to be able to determine which place value I need to begin. 215 and 4/10. 200. So here are my hundreds. I have 200, 15, 15, and that "and" is that huge hint that I need that decimal. 4/10. So I hear 4 ending in the tenths place. So my 4 goes here. Now, when I'm looking at these values, I always start at my largest place value. Looking at my largest place value, the 2 in the hundreds place already tells me that this value here is the larger amount. So we know that 215 and 4/10 is the greater amount. So when I'm looking back at my original problem, I know that I'm going to say that this is the greater amount. And the way that we read this is 43 and 67/100 is less than 215 and 4/10. And I can write that right here in standard form. So your answer should have been less than.